Have you ever started a lemonade stand and not a single person stopped to buy any of your lemonade? Did you ever wonder why they didn't stop and whether it was just the lemonade or maybe if you had cookies to go along with it, would they have bought some then? All of these are basic questions most businesses go through no matter what product they are trying to sell. And today, I am going to show you how to share your voice and answer those complicated questions for others. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The method I will be teaching you today is for anyone and everyone. It is accessible all over the world and it's an easy way to make money just by using your laptop. And you might also even be able to earn a full-time income with just a part-time commitment. Just a reminder, no skills or college degrees are necessary, and the money you can earn can go to a PayPal account or straight to your bank account. So today, to start off, I would like you to imagine that you are creating a business selling cupcakes, but you are unsure whether people would actually come in and buy them. So, you would like to research to get real information from real people to gather their opinions and thoughts on whether people are interested in buying your cupcakes and if your business would actually survive. So, there are things called focus groups and there are websites where they can gather opinions of their products from real people. However, I am not going to be teaching you how to sell cupcakes today. I am going to teach you how to make money way easier than starting a whole business with tons of expenses. I will be teaching you how to be the person that gets to give their opinions. So, one popular website that you can use to test products or give opinions is called Respondent.io. So, if you will sign up on this website, immediately you will be given access to the group which lists businesses or companies that are wanting real people to test their products and get their opinions on it. So, these are real people that are getting paid just for taking part in a research study. As you can see, you can earn money from whichever project you try to sign up for, depending on what the business researcher is offering to pay. All right. So if you look at the upper part of your screen, you can see different categories. You are going to click on participants and scroll down a little and you will see how much people are getting paid. Now, the highest paid group of people are the enterprise software users, with an hourly average of $750. So you can say that you can actually earn more than $700 in just an hour. Now, even if you aren't that confident to participate in that field of concentration, the sales and support people are still paid with an average of $100. So you will first need to sign up by clicking the Get Started button. Now you will see there are two different options. The first option is the researcher. That's for the people who are researchers for a corporation that wants to conduct a research panel. But what you want to sign up for today is a participant. That way, you will be making money as a participant in the studies. So click on Create an Account and it will lead you directly to the registration page. After you have completed signing up, your studies will be matched by an algorithm that matches your criteria, and you will be able to look through those projects and the ones you will want to partake in. As soon as you're finished participating and giving your input to the study, you will be immediately compensated through your PayPal account. And you are free to repeat the entire process and keep receiving payments every single day just by taking part in this certain research studies. But another cool thing about Respondent.io is that it also has a program that will pay you for referring your friends. If you go down at the very bottom of the page under participants, you just need to click on Refer Friends. Then you can see how this works. Their average referral bonus is $50. Can you believe that? $50 just for helping a friend make money too. So go ahead and share this video with your friends so that they can also start earning money online, because we don't want your friends and family missing out on making extra money in such a simple way. And you will also get $50 in return. Now, here is another website that you could earn money from. It's called recruitandfield.com. You can check out this one since it performs the exact same thing. It's the same as Respondent.io. However, it is mostly for United States citizens. Unfortunately, they give priority to registrations that are originating in the US. Now, there are some really big companies here. You are actually getting paid by these companies like Google or Apple to take part in studies that will genuinely benefit their businesses to improve. So again, you will want to sign up as a participant and then click register here at the left to sign up if you are from the US. If not, you will register on the right side. Now, there are easy ways to earn big money because you won't have to spend so much effort with these websites. Just by participating in these studies, you can even make a living out of this. Or if you just want some fun extra cash, you can always just do it in your spare time and get paid with no experience necessary. All right, that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gives you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.